Are you searching for a second home? Perhaps you're looking for a perfect retirement opportunity. Or do you just need a place to go for game day weekends? Either way, Pinehurst Villas may be your answer. Welcome to Manhattan, Kansas, the Little Apple, home of Kansas State University. Located on the outskirts of Manhattan lies Grand Mere, Manhattan's only master-planned community. Pinehurst Villas are the up-and-coming location in the Colbert Hills, offering spectacular views of the Flint Hills' most gorgeous vistas. In addition to this marvelous residence, Pinehurst Villas also offers exclusive property maintenance, including top-notch lawn care, allowing you to rest easy in your free time. This prairie-style property is incredibly spacious. Each floor covers up to 2,000 square feet. On the main floor, Pinehurst offers an open floor plan with large windows that allow natural lighting to flow through the entire living space. It illustrates the beauty of Manhattan's natural features. The main floor also features a designer kitchen, complete with KitchenAid double S appliances. With 4 beds and 2.5 baths, Pinehurst also offers walk-in closets, a downstairs entertainment area that features a built-in wet bar, 10-foot ceilings, and a native stone fireplace with natural gas. This residence is well suited to entertain a variety of guests. With a series of cart paths, Pinehurst Villas are tethered to Colbert Hills Golf Course. Just outside the Colbert Hills lies Grand Mere Village, offering a convenient location for banking, eating, and entertainment. Schedule a viewing today, and thank you for viewing this listing.